going on, guys? This is my Samsung Galaxy Tab A, the model which actually has 4G LTE. It's an international version, and basically this thing does have the S Pen support down below, and I've been using it for about the last few days now, and it's been a really good device overall. So I wanted to share my overall impressions after about 48 hours of having it. And overall it's been really smooth. It's been really nice for gaming, surprisingly. I did download Amazon Kindle so I can take advantage of some books. I haven't actually started reading yet, but I do plan to do so. So you can see it's syncing to my library right here. I actually did install some of my favorite games, NBA 2K20. I kind of want to play this game a little bit in this video, so I'll actually load this in the background as well. But this game is going to be really nice as well, so I want to try to test this out in this video as well. But we also just we are getting 32 gigabytes of internal storage. We are getting 3. Let me just go to my the Amazon link that I actually purchased this thing from, so I could show you some of the specifications that this thing does have to offer. I just want to talk about this version of the Samsung Galaxy Tab A because there's like a lot of versions, and this version actually offers a little bit more features than some of the other versions that I was looking at. So when I was looking at this one, the reason that it piqued my interest is because not only did it offer the S Pen, which is actually a really nice tool in 2020. You're getting your extra notes, you're getting your you're getting the ability to create notes, screenwriting, also a bunch of other tools here as well. But one of the main features about this device is that it does give you the ability to make calls on 4G LTE, and it's unlocked with any carrier. So this is the SM-P205 international model, and it does come with 3 gigabytes of RAM, 32 gigabytes of internal storage, a 4,200 milliamp hour battery. Now this thing was released in April 2019, which was actually pretty cool, and it did come with a front-facing 8 megapixel camera, as well as 8 megapixel real camera with a 5 megapixel front. Now this thing does feature 283 megapixels when it comes to the PPI. You are getting really nice pixels per inch on this thing, really nice screen resolution when it comes to scrolling through the interface of this thing. Honestly, it's probably one of the best experiences I've actually had. You can see I'm running on my 4G LTE, and you can get the option to actually use Wi-Fi as well. Well, that was nuts. But this thing actually has been really sweet so far, and it does have a full HD display, 1200 times 1920 display with a with 2 cores that are clocked in at 1.8 gigahertz Cortex 873, and 6 cores clocked in at 1.6 gigahertz 853 as well. But one of the other things that's pretty cool is it does record in full HD, but it won't record in 4K, so that's the only thing to note. But you are getting the S Pen, which I actually did do some sketching today, and I actually drew some crazy, I'll show you that in just a bit, but it came out really sick. The pen feature is really phenomenal when it comes to drawing. Let me just open up Autodesk Sketchbook, which is my favorite app to use when it comes to drawing. You can see I just drew a lot of detail here, and which I don't know what I was thinking when I was drawing this, but it actually came out really sweet, and I was actually having a good time drawing this. But you do get the ability to do a lot of sketching. I just like to draw people and different things like that. But honestly, this thing was really smooth, really fast. It did perform really cool and quick when it came to daily tasks, so I didn't have any issues when it came to that. As far as the battery performance, this thing did last more than a day with that 4,200 milliamp hour battery. Now when it comes to the overall gameplay of this thing, it's actually really playable. I was able to play 2K20 on this thing. You can put it, wait, let me go to settings, and when you go to options and when you go to the gameplay, you can see right here, let me just see what the graphics are on. Oh wait, you can't, I forgot you can't change the graphics on 2K while you're in the middle of a game, but right now it looks really smooth. And honestly, you could play a ton of games on here. It's actually a really nice experience when it comes to gaming. You can see right here, the controls are like, and the screen are really big, so you can see everything that's pretty much in front of you. So I mean, you won't have any issues whatsoever when it comes to gameplay on here. Also, when you want to get work done, this thing also does have like the Microsoft apps on it as well, like Word and also Excel and like a bunch of other useful key features that you might want to use as well. Oh, that was actually a good shot. Let me see. But mainly the really useful feature is the fact that you can be creative with this thing and actually use the stylus as well. And the fact that this thing does have the ability to give you that S Pen feature as well, and just like a variety of options to choose from with that large HD display, full HD display. I mean, I was able to watch like 5 episodes of one of my favorite shows on TV Zion right here, and I literally streamed like 5 episodes in a row, and I was watching this thing right here called The Upload, and I mean, the battery literally lasted forever. So and it charges really quick as well, so I didn't have any issues with the charging. It's 4,200 milliamp hour battery. So I mean, you can get a lot of work done. I have all my shopping apps on here, so I have Amazon shopping on here, and so here's some of my recent purchases. But I do have Amazon Video as well. I did notice that Power Director, for some reason, when you try to like access like a video in here with a like, it doesn't support that. So like, that was one of the things I did notice, but it's a little annoying. But I was trying to like edit on here, but I'll probably use a different application like InCut, which is another app that you can use. Also, the cameras on here are actually really sweet. I did like actually do like a mock video, like just a play around video, just to test out the video quality on here. And it did have like this wide angle camera as well as regular camera as well. So you can see you can switch in between the cameras. So right here, this is the close-up one, and then you can switch out between the wide one. So I did like that they had that option, and it does look really good in low light. You also do get the OneDrive, which is the Samsung Cloud. Yeah, you get your Samsung Notes, contacts, and Samsung One UI right now. But we do actually have a software update on this device as well, and I wanted to show you that as well because it's actually here, and I wanted to install it. Let me just show you right here. So we have a software update. Then when you click right here, it says May 11th, or actually February 1st. So when you download that, you can see you can just go ahead, and it says right here, the security of your device is improved, and you can basically download that. It's like 300 megabytes. So let's just go ahead and download that. But you can connect to the Wi-Fi to make that a lot quicker, which is pretty cool. So we did connect to the Wi-Fi, and this is the February 1st, it says right here. So let's just go back, and I'm going to show you what software we're actually running on right now. So when you go into About Tablet, it does show you that status right here, and it does say The software information is Android 9, and software right here, we do get the November 1st, 2019 software version right here, which is currently what it's on. It's November 1st, 2019, so that's actually really old. So it's pretty cool that they're actually offering a software security patch for this thing. Not a lot of tablets do that, so let's just wait for this to update. Now, I wasn't aware of this, but this tablet is also known as the Samsung Galaxy tablet Tab A Plus 8. So like they call it the A Plus 8, which is because of those unique features such as the S Pen and the 4G LTE capabilities as far as being unlocked. In the US, you could use this for Cricket Wireless, or you could use this for Metro by T-Mobile as well. So I definitely think it's pretty cool that they do offer a ton of different features to choose from. Now, this thing does offer hotspot as well, and it does offer 4G LTE as well with the S Pen. Like I said, so you're going to get the 5 GHz Wi-Fi as well, Android 9.0, the One UI as well. So honestly, this thing has a lot of cool features that it does offer for like the entry user. I know there's the S6 Lite and also the S6 tablet, the Tab S6, where a lot of people are purchasing that one. But if you're like somebody who wants to save a little bit of money, this thing is like half the price, and it offers a ton of different features as well. So I would definitely recommend checking out this one if you're trying to save a little bit of money. Now, it does optimize all the apps, as you can see right here. We're almost done. It's at 275 out of 285. So let me just put this down, and now it's almost completely finished. But as you can see right here, it's gonna pretty much finish optimizing those, and we're gonna boot back up. Okay guys, so I fully have this thing completely updated to the newest software. Let me just go ahead and enter my fingerprint or my password real quick. Okay guys, so there we go. Now what we have to do is go to settings, go into the settings option, and right here we're going to go into where it says about tablet, so we can see where we are when it comes to the software. So right now we're on February 1st right now, so that's the latest software update. But honestly, after 72 hours of using this thing, honestly, it's really cool. I just figured out you can get a keyboard with this and pair it as well, so I actually ordered that. So make sure you stay locked in for more videos, because I have a case coming for this thing, plus a keyboard case, and we're gonna check that out too. And this is the 2019 version. I definitely think this is as well worth the money in 2020. And it's just really fast, it's really responsive, and also the screen is really cool. And I think that it's really great that you can use this thing on the go, really portable. And it's just gonna offer a really fast, responsive interface here. So I mean, honestly, you can't go wrong. I mean, this thing is like less than 300 compared to the other guys out there. The other tablets, I mean Apple tablets, if you wanted to get the best Android tablet for around this price point, honestly I think this is the best one. So let me know if you found this video helpful. If you have a tablet from Samsung series, just leave a comment down below. Let me know how long you had it and where you're from. That would be pretty cool. But I should wait around. I'll check you guys later. But in the meantime, have a great morning, afternoon, evening, and depending where you are, have a great night. Later, girl. Peace.